So that's that one. This is the one I caught over here 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks ago. This is what it looks like. There's a little bit of activity, but nothing. That's nothing. That's just bees checking it out. Oop. That's normal activity on a swarm trap. Back over here. They're humming.